why is disconfirming evidence key to behavioral experiments? Imagine trying to fix a broken clock by guessing what's wrong. If your guess is wrong, you need to test it to see if you're right or not. That's what behavioral experiments do in cognitive behavioral therapy. They test beliefs in real life to see if they're true or not. Now, the reason disconfirming evidence is so important is because it's the proof that can show your beliefs might be wrong. When you do an experiment and the results don't match what you expected, that's disconfirming evidence. It's like a light bulb going off that maybe your belief isn't entirely accurate. For example, if someone believes they will embarrass themselves in front of others, they might try speaking up in a small group. If they do speak and no one laughs or judges them harshly, that's disconfirming evidence. It shows their fear might be exaggerated. This kind of evidence helps people realize their negative thoughts aren't always true. It's a way of testing their assumptions with real-world data. When the outcome doesn't match their negative prediction, it challenges their old way of thinking. That's how beliefs start to change. Disconfirming evidence also builds confidence. If you've been afraid to try something because you think it will go badly, and then it doesn't, you start to see that maybe you can handle it. This encourages a more balanced view. It's like collecting facts that prove your worries are not always correct. Over time, these facts help you think more positively and realistically. That's why in behavioral experiments, finding evidence that contradicts negative beliefs is so important. It's the key to breaking down unhelpful thoughts and replacing them with healthier ones. Without disconfirming evidence, it's hard to see that change is possible. It's the real-world proof that your fears might be unfounded or exaggerated. So, in simple terms, disconfirming evidence is what makes behavioral experiments powerful. It's what helps you see the truth beyond your fears and assumptions. That's how change begins and how you learn to think in a more helpful way.